welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I did a question sticker thing on my Insta story asking people assumptions about me, because I've always wondered what people thought, like people who don't really know me a lot think about me, like what I am. It's interesting to know, right? Today I'll be reading them on camera and seeing what people wrote and reacting to it. So let's get started. So I screenshotted all the stickers and I'll be starting. Someone, like a friend of mine, she wrote sweet. I don't know. That's really nice. Thank you for thinking that or assuming that I'm sweet. Next up I have someone else wrote, not right now, but in the starting I thought you were cold. Okay, that's just totally I was taken aback by that. I guess I might be. If you don't know me well, you might assume that I'm cold if you see me, because I'm the kind of person, if I don't like something, I just be straight about it. I don't pretend to be nice or like something if I don't. So maybe that gave her the impression that I was cold, but she said not right now and we are on good terms now, so don't worry, we're not fighting. She's nice. She's a nice friend of mine. So next up, I don't know why my friend wrote this. She said, "तूने बाल कब कटवाए?" which means when did you get your hair cut? So as you can see, my hair is really short right now. They used to be shorter. If you see my I am back video, if you haven't seen, go watch that. But yeah, in that video my hair is really short. And the thing is, when my boards got over and before this lockdown thing started, I went to the salon 3 or 4 days ago before the lockdown came. I really wanted to get my hair cut. I love short hair. My hair was really long before the lockdown and I just wanted to get them short so bad, and I was so lucky because I remember when I got my hair cut, after 3 or 4 days the lockdown started and everything was closed. So I was like, oh my god, that was lucky. So yeah, I got my hair cut before the lockdown. I didn't go out during the lockdown or since then. I got it before that, and the first video I posted during the lockdown, you can see that my hair is very short in that too. So yeah. Next up, another friend again nodded assumptions, but she said, you want to meet me ASAP? Yes, I do want to meet you really bad. I'm so bored and stuck at home. I'm losing my mind, and I just want to meet you so bad. I miss you. I miss all my friends. I remember all the memories we made before the lockdown, and the memories I thought we were gonna make after our board got over, but this lockdown and everything came. But I want to meet you so bad and have fun. So next up is another friend of mine. She's the sweetest, nicest person in the whole world. So she wrote, you're gonna become one of the best vloggers, YouTubers one day. Thank you. I'm not kidding when I said it. When I read that, when it was taking the screenshot, I just read them. That's the sweetest thing anyone might have said about me, and thank you so much. I love you and thank you for this. And I'm telling you, if you haven't checked her name is Tanushri and her channel is just Tanushri. I'll put the link up above or down below. She's amazing and her YouTube videos are amazing too. So you're going to become we're both going to become best YouTubers one day, and I can't wait for that day. So thank you so much for writing that. That means a lot. Next up is someone said, you like coffee more than tea. So the thing with me and coffee is I love coffee and I do like tea. Some people prefer tea or coffee more, it's whatever, but I like tea. I like my mom's tea when she makes it all with the herbs and everything, and when the weather is cloudy and stuff. Occasionally I do prefer tea. I like tea, but coffee is cold coffee is my biggest weakness. I love coffee so much, and during this lockdown I've been experimenting with making different kind of coffees from seeing coffee recipes from YouTube and stuff, and I make really good coffee. I mean, I'm the only one who drinks that coffee that I make, but I can tell you, because I'm the only one who had that, I make really good coffee and I love coffee. So that assumption is true. I do like coffee more than tea. Okay. Someone wrote many, and I was like, you have many assumptions about me, and I was like, so I told them, would you care to elaborate? And they said, you're a nice girl, but somehow you are moody. Thank you for saying I'm a nice girl, and I do agree with the moody thing, because I am. There are days when I just don't reply to people, especially during quarantine. I've just been having terrible mood swings where I just wanna like watch Netflix or watch a series all day and not talk to anybody else and stuff. So yeah, I guess I can be moody sometimes, not always, but I guess I can be moody. So that, I guess, is true. So another friend of mine, she wrote, you love me, right? That's not his assumption, but yeah, I love you. Meet me soon. I'm really bored. Meet me soon, okay? Yeah. So, and I really miss our school memories, and I just really wish we could have hung out more last year. But don't worry, we're gonna hang out before we go off to college and stuff. And I just want to get out so bad. Like, please comment down below if you are also losing your mind in this quarantine, because I honestly, I have seen people go out like on their Instagram stories, they go to McDonald's, they go to meet their friends without mask on or anything, and I'm just shocked by seeing that, because I honestly haven't gone out in the longest time. I went out to get groceries or some essentials, but other than that I haven't seen my friends in the longest time, and I really miss them, and we talk on video calls and stuff, but I still miss them, and I'm not going out still. I do miss them, but I'm not going out, and it shocks me that it's a pandemic and people are still not taking it seriously, and they're going out and hanging out with their friends. I get it, we're all losing our mind, but we have to take certain precautions as well. So I just want to say to everybody watching, please, because the cases are on the rise, and every day the death rate are increasing and stuff, so try to stay in. I'm not saying don't go out for anything, but try to go out only for essential, and just wear a mask, please. So I'm sorry for that, but yeah, still wear a mask. I was serious about that. So that was all the assumptions, and a lot of people were asking questions, so tell me if you want me to do a personal Q&A maybe on Instagram, and also I ask questions on what videos I should do next, and stickers like that. So if you are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram should be right there on the screen, and also Twitter. So follow me on there if you want to see what I do next. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.